The Saudi-led coalition has said airstrikes on Sana'a will not stop until Yemen is once more able to continue with a United Nations-backed political transition. Houthi rebels controlling the Yemeni capital have strongly condemned the attacks, which have led to the closure of the international airport and prevented UN staff from evacuating the country. We visited Sana'a International Airport today and found the infrastructure and runways destroyed because of Saudi aggression. This tyrant has no legitimacy and no justification, said this Houthi spokesman. Meanwhile, the region's leaders have gathered in the Egyptian resort of Sharm el-Sheikh for an Arab League summit focusing largely on the situation in Yemen. There, Yemen's President Hadi asked for help in fighting back against the militia threatening to cause civil war in the country. The Houthis are violating our sovereignty, he said. They are the ones who blew up places of worship and who stole from military bases and took over civil institutions. They are the ones who took over cities and provinces, who imposed a siege on the legitimate president. Joint military action to fight hardline Islamists in the region, a plan Egypt's President al-Sisi has been advocating, was also on the agenda.